Students, I hope you are taking care. Here is the worksheet 1 and its solutions sent by me on Life Science class 9, chapter The Levels of Organization of Life, particularly the cell. The first question, define cell. Cell is the basic or fundamental structural and functional unit of the living organism. That means the cell gives the body the structure and as well as the functions. Here is the question number 2. It is asked to draw and label a plant cell and an animal cell. Here is the diagram. You see, here is the animal cell and here is the plant cell. Now in animal cell you see there is no cell wall, and then mitochondria, cell membrane, centrosome is present only in animal cell, not present in the plant cell. And in the centrosome there are two dot-like structures present over here which is known as centriole. It works during the cell division. On the other hand, in the plant cell, you see that chloroplast is there. That means it is containing the chlorophylls, and the plastids are the characteristics of the plant cell. We have nucleus in both the cells, nucleolus in both the cells, endoplasmic reticulums in both the cells. We have the nuclear membrane in both the cells, and we have small vacuoles in animal cells, or sometimes it is absent. While in the plant cell, it is a huge vacuole is present there. We have the Golgi bodies, which is known in the plant cell as the dictyosomes. And then there is a flagellum shown in the cell. This is the diagram of the plant cell and the animal cell. We come to the third question, which is, cell is the basic unit of life, and that is to be explained by you. The cell provides the structure and all metabolic functions. It has all the biological equipment to keep an organism alive. Thus, it is the basic unit of life. We go to next question. Why is lysosome called the suicidal bag? Why is lysosome called the suicidal bag? Lysosome is called a suicidal bag because it tries to repair the damaged cells. But if the damage is beyond repair, then it dissolves the cell. Thus, it is called the suicidal bags. The next question that we have is, distinguish between a plant cell and an animal cell. The plant cell and animal cell can be distinguished as follows. Number 1, the plant cell has cell wall, and the animal cell, there is no cell wall. The plastids are present in the plant cell, plastids are absent in the animal cell. Centrosome is absent in the plant cell, while the centrosome is present in the animal cell. Lysosome is absent in the plant cell, while the lysosome is present in the animal cell. That is all for the distinguishment. We have the next question. What is E capital RER stands for? Capital ER stands for endoplasmic reticulum. It is a reticulate ribbon-like structure. The cytoplasm and in the cytoplasm, and it gives a path to nucleus. There are two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth work as the storage of the steroids, and the rough one is synthesized protein. That means the synthesis of protein is done by this. We have the next question to be discussed is the cell theory, on the cell theory. What is cell theory? The cell theory, in cell theory, the cell is the structural unit of a living body. All bodies are formed of either one or many cells. And number 3, the cell can act independently. The cell is an independent unit. The cell theory was proposed by Matthias J. Schleiden and Theodore Schwann in 1838 and 39. We have the next question. What is plastid? Classify plastid. Now we have the pigment containing organelles are the plastids. They are of 3 types: chloroplastid, green pigment containing plastid, having chlorophyll and function helps in photosynthesis to prepare food. Next one is chromoplastid. They have all other pigments containing in them and they are found in flowers, fruits, etc. We have the third kind of plastid, which is the leucoplastid, having no pigment. Function, storage of food. This leucoplastid are of 3 types. Amyloplast, which stores the starch. Proteinoplast, that stores the protein. Eleoplast, that stores the lipids and the oils. The next question is, what is the full form of GB? Or what is GB and what is its function? The GB stands for Golgi bodies. And they discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898. Function number 1, secretion of enzymes, hormones, mucus, etc. It also helps in the transportation. The next question is, what are ribosomes and what is their function? What are ribosomes and what is their function? Ribosomes are found attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, or they are found scattered in the cytoplasm. Function, they synthesize protein. That is why they are called the protein factory of the cells. That is all about the worksheet and its answer. Thank you and have a good day.